Hi. Hi, good morning. Hi. Yeah, hi there. What are we doing? Are we going to pull ourselves up? Is it time for big girl stand up? You can do it. You can do it. Yeah. Yeah, big crawler. Here she goes. Here, come over here. Come over here. Crawl this way. Hey, look, here's Monkey. Come get your monkey. Yep. There's the monkey. Go, girly, go. Go, girly, go. Yay! All right. It's our big stand-up girl. Way to go, Alex. All right, there goes your outfit. Uh-huh. Yeah, throw your clothes on the floor. It's a good place for them. Yay! Hey, stand-up girl. Yeah. Hi. Are you standing? Bonk. Oh well, guess you gotta try again. Hey, okay.